Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to do the first look of this CCA CRA IEMs which I bought in Shopee for like $15-16. So here is the box itself. It is sealed with plastic packaging. As you can see, it's quite small. I thought at first it's gonna have like a carrying case, but it doesn't have. But I have the IEM box case, carrying case that I have. So I bought early. So here is the first look of this. It's quite nice. I heard that they have better base response and blah blah blah. But just try IEMs. I never tried IEMs for the first time, so I trying this for the first time also. The CCA is, from what I heard, is like a sister brand or some kind of from KZ. So you can see here's the specifications. Here's the I think it's impedance, I guess, the resistance 25 ohms, and 3.5mm. Pin type is the connector thing. Yeah, here's the info on there. So I choose the black option with the mic, and well, here's the features. It has the ultra thin high polymer diaphragm, super treble extension, better separation for vocal and instrumental music. So hopefully it has a better bass, because of what I heard, right, it has a better bass response. So this video is gonna be me unboxing and taking the first look. I'm gonna test this one in a separate one, because I'm not gonna show this. I'm not going to Here is inside. Is the bringing an extraordinary audio experience beyond imagination for everyone is our goal for unremitting efforts. So yeah, this is the cable. It's the IEM itself. It's the extra ear tips. Instruction manual, which you can throw in the trash. Well, the cables looks nice, to be honest. Looks good. Here's the IEMs. I think they fitted with the medium size, if I'm not wrong. Later put the lowest one. So here he is. Here we have the earbuds. I mean the IEMs. It's the ear tips. Oops, I almost dropped. Come on. So here it is. Here's the first look of the IEMs by the CCA CRA IEMs. From what I heard, it has better bass response and all that kind of stuff. So here's the 2-pin connector. Here's I think it's the flush down version, I guess. We just slowly plug it in, if I'm not wrong. So I think that's the layout, if I'm not wrong, like this, if I am right. So well, I think that's been it. I'm going to test this by myself, this IEM. If you like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Check out my new IG threads. I think no need IG threads I need. That's been it. I have nothing to say. That's been it for this video, and I catch you guys next time. Bye bye.